Today, we will show you how to set up your Garmin Edge 1030 Plus with your Android smartphone or tablet. First, make sure your Edge 1030 Plus is charged, and that you have the Garmin Connect App downloaded onto your Android smartphone or tablet. Next, power on your Edge 1030 Plus. On your Edge 1030 Plus, tap the checkmark to select your language. Next, the Edge 1030 Plus will make sure you have downloaded the Garmin Connect mobile app. Then select Continue. Next, create your Garmin Connect account. Once completed, the Garmin Connect app will say your Edge 1030 Plus is ready to pair. Select Connect it. Then, the Garmin Connect mobile app will ask to link your Edge 1030 Plus. Select OK. The Garmin Connect app and Edge 1030 Plus will now show a Bluetooth pairing passkey. Make sure the passkey matches and select Pair. Your Garmin Edge 1030 Plus is now connected to your Android device. Select Next to continue. Now, the Garmin Connect app will ask if you ride with a heart rate monitor or a power meter. Select Yes or No and then Next. The Garmin Connect app will ask if you want to select different activity profiles for your Garmin Edge 1030 Plus. You can add profiles such as gravel or commute. Now the Garmin Connect mobile app will ask to sync your Garmin Edge 1030 Plus. Select Sync Now. Once the Edge 1030 Plus has finished syncing, select Finish. Once you select Finish, you will see the Congratulations screen that highlights a few different features such as setting up Wi-Fi connections, setting up Live Track, and learning more about the bike alarm. The Edge 1030 Plus will now show Phone Setup Complete. And that's it! You now have set up your Garmin Edge 1030 Plus with your Android device. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.